will show you how to make perfect gyoza with wasabi sauce without a bamboo steamer. So sit down and let's get right into it. We will need a pan with a lid, our gyoza that we prepared, oil and water. The ingredients for the sauce are very simple. All we need is soy sauce and wasabi paste. Then you just need to mix them well together. It's very simple but very delicious. For our gyoza, heat up the pan to about 2/3 of the power. Once the pan is hot, add the oil and spread it around the pan. Then place our gyozas on the pan and let them fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add about half a glass of water and cover it with the lid. And after 5 to 7 minutes, we are done and can serve. Itadakimasu.